It's at this point, however, 9:30 on Wednesday morning, we have presented for many, many years now, Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner. Questions that have been submitted by you, answers from the guy who knows with over 50 years experience. It's Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Would you please help me welcome him? Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How are you doing this beautiful morning?
Excellent. How about you?
I'm doing 100%, thank you.
Got to admit, it's been nice weather the past couple of days, nicer weather on the way next week. So I know you and I agree. We call this paradise for that reason.
I love it.
Yeah. By the way, before we get going with today's question, a little bird told me that Cape Coral's Bike Night is coming up again. You guys are always proud sponsors, I know.
Yeah, we're the sponsors of Cape Coral Bike Night, and we've been the sponsors for over 10 years. This Saturday night is the first bike night of the season.
Cool.
It's a great opportunity to come out. You don't have to be a biker, but we probably get between 10 and 15,000 bikers that come out. There's bands, and it's just a great night for everybody to come out and do something different.
Absolutely. And I know, again, you're a sponsor, and you have always immersed yourself in the biker community. That's why you're known as the biker's lawyer, quite frankly. So we look forward to the Cape Coral Bike Night, and that is Saturday night. Now, on to the question of the day. You ready?
I am ready, Todd.
And this is a point of law that I've always been curious about myself. See, this is why I always say if you have any questions about the law, anything that's always been a curiosity for you, you should submit that question. I've always wondered about this exact scenario. Email reads, our son rode his motorcycle towards Arcadia on State Road 31 from Fort Myers. My son went to pass a tractor-trailer truck while he was in a passing zone, and the tractor-trailer truck started to make a left-hand turn as he was passing, cutting him off and forcing him to crash. He has severe injuries, including multiple broken bones. The trucking company said their driver was not at fault because a motorcycle was passing him. Can the lawyer help? I've always wondered because we always pass on these two-lane highways. There's always that threat, too, when we do pass. What do you make of this situation?
Well, the trucking company, as usual, is 100% wrong.
Okay.
When you're on a two-lane road, as long as you're not in the city limits, the law provides that the passing vehicle has the right of way. And if you think about it, it only makes sense because once you're out passing, you're in no man's land.
Yeah.
Someone turns in front of you, there's nothing you could do. So the driver of the truck or any other vehicle has to look behind them in their rear view mirror to make sure there's no passing vehicle before they make that left-hand turn.
I see. So this is, I'm not sure this is the legal term, but is this negligence on the part of the driver for not doing that?
Absolutely. It's a violation of the law.
Okay.
He's determined to be negligent as a matter of law for violating a state statute.
I see.
So this person should immediately call an experienced biker's lawyer, and he'll be able to make a recovery, for his pain and suffering, inconvenience, all his medical bills in the past and the future. So, he just needs to get in touch with a biker's lawyer right away.
And with him having broken bones, he's likely to miss work, so there's going to be some recovery there probably, too.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but it's important to get a professional because already you're seeing some pushback from the trucking company. Their insurance company will get involved, and there'll be more pushback. You got to have somebody who knows this system and works it every single day. I'm glad to clear up that little point of law, too. And it's kind of a cautionary note, I think, for all of us, whether we're driving a tractor trailer or we're just driving our family vehicle every day. When you get ready to make that left-hand turn, always check and make sure somebody's not passing, especially motorcycles, because they're so easy to miss if you don't look carefully.
I agree, Todd. That's great advice.
All right. Well, that's some obviously positive news for this poor guy that got so badly hurt. Let's hope he takes that advice and reaches out to a professional very, very quickly. And thank you for clarifying that once again. Bruce Scheiner to the rescue. Appreciate it.
Okay, Todd. Thank you. Looking forward to another interesting question next Wednesday.
As are we. You take care and say hi to everybody now.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. And our question of the week. If you'd like to submit a question for future consideration, please do. All you have to do is go to our website and put the keyword Bruce in the search box. That'll take you right where you need to go. Now, if you have something like this person's injuries that are really weighing on you and the bills are starting to pile up and you're not sure what to do next, and you're getting pushback from the driver that caused the accident, by all means, call the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner at 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. And tell them that Todd Matthews sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.